Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just gonna kind of take you around the farm as we do some chores, show you some upcoming projects we got, and just show you a day in our life. Alright guys, you can see the garden. Dutch over at Keeping It Dutch was bragging to Arm's family because all of his buckets matched. Ours might not match, but they're doing the job. So we got stuff everywhere covering these plants up, but I'll take you and kind of show you how everything's doing. Alright, so right here we got our radishes going. They're looking good. We've actually eaten a couple out. Oh, look right here. We got some potatoes coming up.
Lots of potatoes on down the row.
Lots of potatoes, and then our lettuce is doing good. Spinach looking good.
We planted a few carrots there by the spinach.
A few carrots right here.
Show her the carrots.
Oh yeah. You better get that dog out of there.
Yeah, we need to start.
And then we got onions.
Yeah.
Onions. Potatoes.
Those are bulb onions I planted, and there's just a few of them are coming up.
And then we got potatoes coming up. All right, zucchini and squash is looking awesome. Looking real good. So that's what we got so far going on. Anything you want to say, Gardener Gary?
Nope, just that we got more planting to do. It's about ready to plant sweet corn, and we're going to plant green beans. We're going to wait a couple weeks on the okra, but probably tomorrow we'll be planting all of our sweet corn and green beans. Oh, and I just got watermelons, plants, and Cassie's cantaloupe.
So didn't you say yesterday on one of the Max videos you learned something from what they did?
Yeah, the Max just shared about planting the rows closer together to help germinate. So I noticed last year my corn was kind of spotty, and I'd put them about a tiller width apart. So this year I'm just going to put them closer together, about 10 to 12 inches, and see if that helps with the germination problem.
Ranger, show us what you got in there. Whoa, you found a good one. Mama might have to wash that off and eat it right now. Should we save it?
We should save it.
I could eat that with our ham and beans tonight. We'll see if there's any more in here and we can get some more out. Throw it in that blue bucket behind you. Another good one.
Looks like I saw another good one down in. Oh, yep. Another one.
Oh, yeah. All right, so we got quite a few radishes we'll take in and clean off. So we're also going to cut some lettuce so we can have us a pretty good salad for lunch. And while we're at it, let's get some spinach.
Hank, what are you doing? Huh? You messed with the flag in the garden? Yeah. Messing with it.
All right, so like I said, we got several different projects coming up. We're just gonna take you around and show you all those things as we do chores, as we conquer some projects that we need done today, as well as share with some stuff we're gonna do in the future. What you got?
All kinds of expensive goodies.
You got big plans?
Big plans. So our shop, we built it just before we built our house because we needed a place to store all the stuff, keep it in the dry, and it's kind of been neglected up until this point, but it's about ready to get a lot more attention. So we've got plans to wire it. So we're going to run wire underground from here to our electric service. We have that set up already for a shop. So we're going to do that. Then the fun begins. Get to set our main breaker and then start running lights and wire and all that fun stuff. Also, as part of the shop initiative, we'll call it, we've got some pegboard. So I like hanging stuff up where I can see it and grab it, and I know right where it goes when I get ready to put it back. And so I've got some pegboard. We're going to start putting that up so I can start setting up a station or two for woodworking, one for kind of automotive slash metal stuff. So anyway, get a little more organized in the shop. That's the goal.
Ranger, tell us what's underneath this big old tarp.
So it's our plant. My plant is the middle one, and it already has a little bloom on it.
We were protecting it from the freeze, weren't we?
Yeah.
Got a little cold here in Oklahoma, didn't it? So we brought these wicking tubs right on in the shop.
Also, look what's coming up.
We got a sprout.
Oh, don't pull on it.
Ooh, what is that? Do you remember?
Radish? Sunflower.
Sunflower.
So that one's sprouting, and this one's sprouting. So
Cool.
I might need to put a little more dirt on it, but it's coming up.
Before you know it, they'll be 17 feet tall. Ranger are making some shelves. We're trying to clean and organize before we run this electric, so making some shelving to stack some lumber on.
Just trying to get it up off the ground so dirt and all kinds of stuff doesn't get down there underneath it.
All right, we're getting a little closer. Getting these boards put up over there. Gonna look a lot better, be a lot neater, and a lot cleaner. So while we're out here working, I just want to take this time to tell you that if you enjoy following us and you want to see more things we do every single day, kind of behind the scenes things like that, you need to follow us on Instagram, Walker Farm Fam on Instagram. Post stuff every day, and you'll find even more videos. Sure making a lot of noise over there.
Somebody's been doing work around here.
I'm just the camera woman. So another project we got that we're going to be starting pretty soon is the chicken mansion. So as of right now, we think it'll go between the garden and this swing set. This old swing set, hopefully we're going to be making some type of soccer goal out of it for Ranger. I don't know, we got some ideas for that. But our chicken mansion will be going around right in here somewhere. So that's a project we got going on. And then I would like to paint this propane tank up here that I just haven't had time to do. So lots of projects on the farm. We hope you enjoyed our little vlog today, taking you around, showing you some chores, what we got going on in the shop. We're so excited to finally get electric in the shop. So we hope you enjoy. As always, God bless and have a great day.